Ah!
Oh, dang it.
They won't land in my mouth.
Yes, I got one.
Yes! Oh, I got one. Ah!
Yes, I got one.
Dude, I can really see the snow now.
It landed on my face. It would be freaking awesome if we had a snow day tomorrow.
Dude, seriously. Then we can actually hang out more.
I'd have to work on my crab.
It's beach. Can you catch them in your hand more than your mouth?
Yeah.
I can't. Oh my god, it's raining even harder.
It's so cold.
Here, can you take over? I'm gonna finish making my individual snowman.
This is what my backyard looks like. La 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 la. I know you like my singing.
I do.
It's so cold.
It is.
Can't you go set your camera down?
Yeah, you can stop making the video.
Why?
Can you give him some
It'll
more-
film you.
Can you see me? Or can you see my butt?
No, I can see you.
Look, I just need to face arms.
Put it in my hands.
Okay.
Oh, it's our mini snowman.
Now I can destroy it.
Yes. Okay.
Oh boy.
Okay.
Oh, Brittany looks so pretty. Her little ears are perked up and she got snow on the tip. So cold.
We should have a snowball fight.
Dude, we should. And we're still recording.
I need a ball though.
Here, this one.
Keep stepping in poop.
Hang on.
Haha. Look at my big snowball. You like it? You like it? Good.
My hand is so numb. This isn't even
Yeah, right. You're gonna throw that at me.
Oh, fuck. It's okay. You come out here, I don't want to like hit anything.
You're gonna like hit me when I'm not listening, fucker.
Here, I'll hit you with pieces at a time.
Did you throw?
Not yet.
Ow! My
Sorry.
It's not even getting me. Ow!
Oh, that was much fucker. Well, now it hurts.
I ran out.
Well, we got a whole trampoline full of ammo.
That's enough because I can't feel my hands.
You can end that video whenever you want.
Here.
I'd laugh if I hit myself in the head with that.
Oh, I have to go to the bathroom. Say goodbye, nurse.
That was my pee-pee dance. Bye.